back to our channel, and today we are going to be unboxing my life for Playset. And let me describe what's in here. It comes with a heart-shaped mirror, a water bowl, two parrots, a parrot food, a parrot bowl, and it comes with some newspaper so you can put at the end of the cage. And it also comes with like the hook and something for the birds to play with. And it also comes with this so they can swing on. And these go together. And you can customize your Playset however you like. Then we get unboxing. I'm going to put the cake together. Oh, this is how you do it. And I put the cake together. Now we're gonna put... Oh. I guess you're supposed to do this thing, you do that. And now you're supposed to open the cage. Back up. Now you're supposed to get this and you're supposed to put this in here for the birdie. Where's the dog food? Not the dog food, where's the bird food? Yeah, take the bird food out. And now we get the bird food, and the bird food connects. Then there's the water, and then the water connects right over here. And then we have this, but we'll put this in later. Now we have a mirror which goes... Wait a minute. Where's the door? Oh, there's the door. Oh. So I'm gonna put this back together. Okay, now I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna put this right here because this is how it's going to close. is a beautiful one. Pause it, please. It comes with instructions. But you really don't need them because you can figure it out on your own. And here's some new birds. And here's the book of the book. The cap doesn't take. You can't take this off. This is her new parrots, and this is her bird before her new parrots. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.